A few years ago, we had an idea that we thought could completely change the tabletop gaming industry. Blinks, hexagonal tiles that interact with each other to merge analog and digital play. Each blink knows a game and can teach any number of other tiles how to play. The more we developed it and began to show it off, the more we saw others agree. In 2018, we ran a wildly successful Kickstarter and received over $150,000 in pre-orders. When we returned earlier this year, the community and pre-sales more than doubled. And every show we've taken Blinks to, we've sold out. To date, we've manufactured and shipped nearly 50,000 Blinks, and now we're back with our biggest update yet. Introducing 6 new games from amazing creators such as the team at Big Potato. We're also reissuing 9 of our best games in one incredible bundle for those of you who are just joining the world of Blinks. Blinks will introduce you to new ways to play, even during the most challenging of times. We're thrilled that more than 3,000 people have joined us on our journey and seen the wonder that Blinks can bring. Whether this will be your first time playing or you've already got Blinks in your hands, there's something in this Kickstarter for you.